Alright folks, this video comes to you from Record Police Now. So one thing we have to understand about protesting is that it's covered under the First Amendment. First you have a freedom of speech, and then you have a freedom to assemble. Keep that in mind, folks. Those are two elements of the 5 elements of the First Amendment. Freedom of religion, press, speech, assembly, and petition. It's important that you guys know these because those mimic your natural rights. Those rights that you were born with. Those rights that limit the scope of authority that public officials have over you. Check out this video, go subscribe to the channel, let them know I sent you. I'll see you guys over there.
Start recording. Go live. Yeah, go live. Good. Start recording. Don't answer any questions. Hey, how are you? Good. You have a body cam?
Yes, I do.
Is it running?
Yes, it is.
Awesome. Thank you.
How's it going?
Good. What can I do for you?
What do we do for you?
Nothing. I didn't call you.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi, how you doing?
What's your name and badge number?
Sergeant Stefanski, badge 25.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
Is
to
your
meet
is your
you.
body cam rolling?
Yes, sure it is.
Awesome. What's your name and badge number, please?
Nice.
Nace. Nice to meet you. What is it?
52.
Okay. Thank you. No, I didn't call you. I don't need anything. I'm a grown man. I'm good.
Okay. So I understand you're boycotting, which you have every right to
This
do.
is public property, sir.
Well, this part is still their property.
This is public property. You see that telephone pole? This is an
That's
easement.
an easement for
It's an
them.
easement. Yep. I'm traveling, sir. I'm traveling. Okay. Hey, listen. You can't suppress my First Amendment. The more you try to suppress my First Amendment, the more you try to suppress my First Amendment, the more you're going to find out that I am committed to this cause.
Okay.
They called the police on this lady yesterday for being Chinese. Okay? Yep. So that's what's up. You can get out your ordinances. I encourage you to print them out. But I'm going to be traveling, okay? I'm going to travel. You got it. And look at this sign. It's forcing me to go into the street. Isn't that a hazard? Holy shit. Wow. This looks like private property on public property, and it's causing a hazard. I might get hit by a car. Look at her. She's walking in the street right now. See, you're harassing me for practicing my First Amendment rights, right? But you're not doing anything about that. That's an actual hazard to human beings. You don't care about humans, right? Have a good day. Have a great day. I'll give you the benefit that the Euclid Township Police have too. Whatever you text on your personal phones, I'm going to grab. Any calls that go outside of the dispatch, I'm going to grab. This is not going away, okay?
Have a nice day.
I'm just giving you a heads up.
Have a nice day.
Body cam's rolling. I'll get copies of them. Just be careful with your communications. Don't delete anything you shouldn't, because I'm going to snatch it all up.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Yep, you too. I'm going to keep practicing my First Amendment right, which you swore an oath to uphold and you swore an oath to
I
uphold.
haven't stopped you, sir. I haven't stopped
But you did approach
Well,
me,
you have to-
and
I
you
have every
right
right
off
to
the bat, you
approach
try to tell me this is for traveling
I
only.
also have a right to approach you and talk to you.
Yeah, and I'm talking to you right now.
Okay, you're not talking to me. All you do is yell at me. So I'm trying to have a conversation with you.
Okay.
and all you
Okay,
do
let's
is
have a
yell at me.
conversation. I'll take it down.
So all we were doing was finding out what was going on because we got a complaint.
Yep.
That's what I'm here for. To find out what was happening. you started
But
yelling
sir,
at me right away.
sir, you immediately went to, I'm not allowed here because it's for
I said
travelers.
this is private
That was like pulling me over and saying, well, you know, your taillight's a little dim, so I'm going to write you a ticket, right? Right? Come on, you know the deal.
I know
I'm
the
not
deal.
hurting anybody out here.
And as long as you keep on moving and you stay off of private property, you're
Okay,
fine.
you got
have
it.
every right.
Oh, look, got another one. Code 4.
You have every right to protest.
Yep.
Didn't say you couldn't.
Okay, so we're going to stick with the traveling thing. Okay. What code is that?
It's called private property.
Right, no. What code are you enforcing right now that you're saying I need to keep traveling
I didn't
on an
say you had a
easement?
problem. That was your problem.
Okay.
That was your
So
problem.
where am I not allowed to be on public property?
Private property.
This is an
private
easement.
property. See this?
This is an
Take
easement.
care for this.
It doesn't matter. It's an easement. Where am I supposed to walk in the road? Seriously, if I'm walking in the road,
Measure 3 feet.
what? You want me to bring up the GIS? I guarantee you, these utility poles are not on private property. I'll bet you $10 right now. I'll bet you $10 right now. It has nothing to do with the center line of the road. I'll bring up the GIS survey right now, and I'll show you that I believe the line is at least over there.
Have your protest.
We'll be here every day, man.
Enjoy it.
I hope we get to know each other on better terms.
Sure.
I do.
a
I
nice
seriously
day.
do.
Have a nice
I'm a
day.
pretty reasonable guy, right?
I can tell. I can tell.
Not right now.
Yeah. All right.
Not right
Have a
now.
nice day.
I'm not trying to bust your stones,
Yeah,
right?
You got it. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care. Hopefully you don't detain her and question her and violate her Fourth Amendment like it happened yesterday.
Ma'am, have I done anything to you?
I said hopefully, sir. Hopefully, because that's what happened yesterday. Two people in similar uniforms as you have did that. They detained her illegally and they violated her Fourth Amendment. So I just said I hope you don't do it too, because that would be horrific for her. We got to keep moving, baby. We just got to keep walking. This is what they do. This is they're upholding the Constitution by forcing us to walk while we protest. By this dangerous sign right here. Yeah, I know. I got hurt. Super big hazard here. Wow, I even said it in front of two officers sworn to uphold and protect the Constitution. I'm sure they're going to go right back and call PennDOT about this sign that's impeding people's ability to walk. Yeah. That's that truck I kept seeing drive by too. You still alive, baby? I am. Hashtag Fraser. Hashtag Malvern. What's that, baby? Getting some steps in. I didn't know you got a different constitution when you became a citizen 14 years ago. Wow. You got a raw deal. I got the white privilege constitution, baby. Sorry, baby. You got a raw deal. You're a second-class citizen. You can practice your First Amendment as long as you jump through all the hoops. Yep. Living in America. Police state. Can you get out of the street, please? Before you get a ticket? You only have to walk in the street past this dangerous sign, this hazard right here. Because it could actually impale like your shoulder. It could cut you open with this edge right here. You okay? Do you guys have dash cams?
Now we're going to cause an accident here with how you're walking.
Oh, so my free speech is a dangerous situation?
You see that truck there?
No. I didn't see the truck. great. So is that your assertion that my free speech is causing an accident? Okay, this is getting better.
Nice day.
Do you guys? How many federal lawsuits have you ever gotten?
Can you just let me talk to you for a second?
He just said that I almost caused an accident with my free speech. Is this like actually happening? Yeah.
Give it a break for a
Go ahead.
second?
Go ahead, man.
I mean,
Go ahead.
every time I try to talk,
You got the floor. I'm a pretty good advocate. The worst thing that the Malvern School ever did yesterday was call the police on this nice Chinese lady. Her 14th anniversary of being in America. Happy anniversary, right?
Can you let me talk?
Go ahead.
Have a nice day walking. So make sure you don't come into this property anymore.
I have no intentions of coming on the property.
That's all.
As a matter of fact, the lady that came out, I'm going to do something I normally don't do. I'm going to talk to the police. The lady that came out, I said, I don't wish to engage you. She kept coming towards me and kept engaging me. I said, I don't wish to speak with you. I have a witness, and it's on video, right? So I haven't bothered anybody. They're disturbing my peace. Can I file a report? She disturbed my peace. She got me really agitated. No. I want to file a report because a really suspicious lady. I don't have my driver's license now. No, I don't. Good citizen. Good citizen. Yep. Good citizen.
It'll all be in the report.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Great. I can't wait to get the body cams. Don't delete them accidentally.
They're not.
Okay, no problem. Stuff happens. Stuff happens.
Okay, have a nice day.
Okay, thanks for coming out. We're going to keep traveling.
Enjoy.
We are. It's a beautiful day. We're in America. Only some of us, though. This lady's a second-class citizen. I got white privilege.
I just want to make sure. Did this incident happen here?
No.
Oh, okay. Where did it happen?
The Malvern School. Euclid Township. Called Chief Scott. I had a really good conversation with him. Really stimulating.
Okay, I just want to make sure.
Please call him.
Because I don't remember any incident.
No. Please call him. It happened at Lionville, the Malvern School. Called Chief Scott, Euclid Township, and the sergeant. We had a lot of talks yesterday. A lot of talks. There'll be more, though. There'll be more. There's going to be a lot more. I wish we met under different circumstances. You seem like a reasonable guy, right? But no. What happened yesterday's wrong, and I'm standing up for it. Nope. But listen, there's a lot of these around here, and I know how to drive. So but we'll probably see each other again. Hopefully, it's under better circumstances. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Yep, I'm fine.
And that right there, folks, is exactly what happens when you throw police officers out on the streets with a gun and a badge and they know nothing about the First Amendment, which is the rights of the people. So police officers don't know the rights of the people. They're out there enforcing feelings. And now we also have public officials who know nothing about the rights of the people. So they're calling the cops. The cops come, not knowing anything about the rights of the people, arrest the people, and now the people have to fight their case in the courts. It ties up a lot of the courts, it wastes a tremendous amount of money, and this is an unsustainable system that we are living in. I truly believe that police officers really need to be taught the First Amendment of the Constitution, the Bill of Rights, And I do believe that we truly need to teach the kids in school what their rights are. This is an everlasting conflict. We can no longer continue this pattern. That's why channels like mine are important, because we actually teach not only the people, but police officers as well. Pay attention to many of the videos that I put out. You will definitely see what I'm talking about. Thank you all for tuning in. Go subscribe to this channel. I'm going to drop the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Have yourselves a blessed day. Know your rights. Always record the police. We'll see you on the next video if you hit the bell. Peace.